Good morning, children. Welcome to the math class. Today we will do exercise 4.3 from chapter 4 simple equations. Question number 1. Solve the following equations. Here the question number 1, 2y plus 5 by 2 is equal to 37 by 2. Do you remember? Only one variable is y. This is a constant term in the left hand side, which we need to transpose in the right hand side. Where in the right hand side the value is 37 by 2. To find the value of y, we will use here transposing method. So 2y is equal to 37 by 2, and I am transposing plus 5 by 2 from the left hand side to the right hand side. So minus 5 by 2. Now 2y is equal to, here two constant terms and the denominator is 2. So 37, LCM of 2 is 2. Both the places same. So 37 minus 5. The result is 2y is equal to 35 by 2. Sorry, it is 37 minus 5. So 32 by 2. Cancel it. It will be 16. Now we have to shift 2 from here to separate the variable y. To separate the variable here 2 and the variable y is multiplied to each other. Now we have to shift the number coefficient to the right side. So y, it was here multiplied here. So 16 here it will be in the right hand side. When I will shift this, 2 will go in the denominator. Now if you again it cancel, it will be 8. Therefore y is equal to 8. Next question is question number B. Here 5t plus 28 is equal to 10. So again we need to transpose plus 28 to the right hand side. Right hand side it was 10 and here it is 5t plus 28, transposing to the right hand side with the opposite sign. Plus 28, here it will become minus 28. So 5t equal to minus 18. Therefore t is equal to, again 5 into t. So 5 will go in the denominator for dividing minus 18. 5 will be go in the denominator. So minus 18 by 5. Next question number D. Q by 4 plus 7 is equal to 5. So again we will use the method of transposing. 7 will be transferred to the transposing to the right hand side. Right hand side it was 5, and Q by 4 plus 7 will go in the right side with the opposite sign. Now Q by 4 equal to minus 2. 5 minus 7, so it will be minus 2. Next we have to separate the variable. Here 4 was divided, so 4 will go in the right side with a multiplication sign. So Q is equal to minus 2 into 4, that is Q is equal to minus 8. Next question number E. 5 by 2x is equal to minus 10. So 5 by 2x, we need to separate the variable again. So 5x is equal to 2 was divided here, so 2 will go in the right side by transposing method. 10 and 2 was there in the division condition, multiply it. Then x is equal to 5 was multiplied here, so it will go in the denominator for dividing 10 into 2 by 5. Now it is cancel, you can cancel it, 5 2s are. So therefore x is equal to minus 2 into 2 minus 4. Next question is question number F. 5 by 2 x is equal to 25 by 4. X 5x is equal to 2 was in the denominator, so it will go in the numerator. 25 by 4 into 2. Now separate 5 also, leave variable alone. 25 into 25 by 4 into 2 by 5. Now is it possible to cancel? Yes, then cancel it. 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25. Therefore x 5 1s are 5, 2 1s are 2. So x is equal to 5 by 2. Next question is question number G. 7m plus 19 by 2 is equal to 13. 7m use transposing equal to 13 and my plus 19 by 2. Here it will be minus 19 by 2. 7m, as it is a fraction, so 13 into 2 minus 19, the LCM will be 2 only. 7m is equal to 26 minus 19 by 2. 7m is equal to, subtract it, 7 by 2, then m is equal to 7 by 2 into 7 will go down 1 by 7, or you can write in this way also, in the same way also you can write m is equal to 7 by 2 into, in the denominator 7, 7 7 you can cancel, therefore m is equal to 1 by 2. Come to the next question. Question number I. 3l by 2 is equal to 2 by 3. Variable is L. So the same way, transposing 3l is equal to 2 by 3. 3 will go down in the denominator. Next, 3 by 2, 2 will go up because we are transposing 2 now. Afterwards I will transpose 3. Then L, 3 will go down, 2 into 2 by 3 into 3 by transposing. Then nothing will be cancelled. So in this way only L is equal to 4 by 9. Last sum of this number 1, it is J. 2b by 3 minus 5 is equal to 3. Now 2b by 3 is equal to, transposing 5 to the right side, 3 plus 5. 2b is equal to 8. Then 3 will go into multiply in the right side. And b, 2 was multiplied here. So 8 into 3 by 2. Cancel it. Therefore b is equal to 12. I hope whatever we have different type of sums, simple equation we have solved here. Practice it. Thank you, students.